Yes, there was a break of the power supply. Okay, we start again our chapter.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
सर
Yes.
सर आप है ना मानसी को दोबारा ऐड कर लीजिए।
सर हो गई मैं ऐड।
Okay, okay. Mansi
हो
Mittal.
गई, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am interested in anybody, anything. Whosoever comes in my garden, I take interest in that person. There is nothing God made that does not interest me. God has not made anything in which I have not taken interest. Look over there. Just see over there. वहां देखो, over beside the wall, far wall. Just look at the far wall there. What can you see? There is rubbish. Rubbish. Look, boy, look. What do you see? देखो. There is just grass and stuff, weeds. There is grass, stuff, weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants. Mr. Lamb, some call them weeds. Mr. Lamb says that some people call them weeds. If you like, then a weed garden. If you wish, you can call it the weed garden. That there is fruit, there are flowers, trees, and herbs. You can see so many things like fruit, flowers, trees, herbs, all sorts. You can see all sorts of plants in my garden. But over there, weeds. But you can see only that part of the garden, weeds. I grow weeds there. Why is one green? Why is one green? Everything is green. Growing plant called a weed. This plant is also growing. Okay, so we can call them weed plant. Another flower. With a difference, as other plants are bearing flowers, in the same way, weeds have green pigment. Okay, green color in them also. With a difference, अंतर कहाँ है? There is no difference in any plant. It is all life. You can see the life in all plants. All plants are growing. Life is growing. Same as you and me. Now, where is the difference between you and me? Like the plants of the garden. There is, we are not the same. The lamp, I am old, you are young. This is the only difference, that I am old, you are young. You have got a burnt face, I have got a thin leg. Not important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. The difference is, you are standing and I am sitting. There is a difference. Very. Why have you got a thin leg? Why do you have an artificial leg? The lamb, real one, got blown off years back. My one foot was blown off years ago in a war. Lemmy lamb. The children called me Lemmy lamb. I have got, some kids say, haven't you heard them? Haven't not you heard the children calling me Lemmy lamb? You will, Lemmy lamb, yeah, you must have heard the children calling me Lemmy lamb. It fits because they say me, they call me Lemmy lamb. It is quite suitable for me because it fits me. Does not trouble me, but I am not troubled at this remark. Very, but you can put on trousers and cover it up. Sir, you can put on trousers and you can hide up your thin leg under your trousers. Okay? And no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare. When you cover your thin leg with the trouser, no one can see it. The lamb, some do, some don't. Some see and some can't. They get tired of it. How long will they look at my leg? How long they will see at my leg? There are so many things to be looked in the world. except my thin leg? They get tired of it in the end. There are plenty other things to stare at. Daddy, yes, like my face, as you can see, the burn mark on the face. Mr. Lamb, like crab apples, or the weeds, or a spider. Mr. Lamb gives so many examples like apples, weeds, a spider climbing, up a silicon ladder. Spider weaves a web, okay, and can just move on his web threads. And my tall sunflowers, you can also see my tall sunflowers which are very tall. Dairy things. Sir, you are talking about only things. Mr. Lamb, it is all relative, it is all connected. Beauty and the beast. Dairy, what is that supposed to mean? What do you mean? What do you want to convey? Mr. Lamb, you tell me. Dairy, you need not think they have not all told me their fairy stories before. Sir, please don't tell me that I have not heard the fairy stories in my childhood. सर ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने अपने बचपन में परी की कहानियां नहीं सुनी हो. It is not what you look like. Actually, I don't look like that. It is what you are inside. Just see yourself from inside. Handsome is as handsome. If you are handsome, do the beautiful work. Your physical beauty does not count. Your talent is counted. Your qualities are counted. Beauty loves the monsters, beast. Beauty एक राक्षस को प्रेम करती थी for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. But he would have stayed a monster's beast. No doubt, beauty changed a monster into a handsome prince, but that handsome prince remained a monster from inside. अंदर से वो राक्षसी बना रहा. I won't change. In the same way, I will not change myself. Mr. Lamb, in that way, oh, you won't. No. If you have burn mark on your face, it means this mark will not be changed. It will change nahi hoga. And no one will kiss me ever. Only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face. And I don't like my mother. Boy says that I don't like my mother. Okay, to kiss me. She does it because she has to. She has to kiss me because I am her son. So she has to give such type of imprints on my face. Why should I like that? I don't care if anybody ever kisses me. I don't care if anybody loves me. Mr. Lamb, oh, what do you care? Do you care if you never kiss them? What? Girls, city girls, long hair, large eyes, people you love. Dairy, who let me? Not one. Who will give me? Or who will let me to do such type of things? Mr. Lamb, who can tell? Dairy, I won't ever look different. Sir, I am growing in age, but there will be no difference on my face. I will look the same. I will still only have half a face. At growing age, after becoming older or young, I will also my half face, because my half face was eaten by this acid. Shalem, you will. But the word born, okay, you will have the half face, but the word has a complete face. The word has got a whole face. The word is there to be looked at. You can see the word here. You can see the word here in my garden. Do you think this is the world? This old garden? Mr. Lamb, you are calling your old garden is like a bird? तुम्हारा ये जो garden है, it is just like a bird. Mr. Lamb, when I am here, not the only one, but the world as much as anywhere. I am here. I am seeing the world wherever you go. जहाँ कहीं तुम जाते हो, you can see all these type of trees, flowers, grass, and other things as are here. So the word is there. I can say that the word is also here. अगर वहाँ संसार है तो यहाँ भी संसार है. Because in every plant you can see the life. Life is growing here. Does your leg hurt you? Does your leg gives you pain? Mr. Lamb, the sin does not hurt boy. But sin does not give me pain. When it came off, did it? When it just came out, when you just took out your leg from the tin, it pains. Certainly. हाँ होता है.
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
But mute yourself. Only you can get my voice. Hello? Mute yourself. Mute your phone. And now, I mean, whether tin stops at the top of your leg, when that tin stops, do you feel pain? Now and then. Sometimes. In wet weather, especially in rainy season, it does not signify, but it is not important. Dairy, oh, that is something else that all say. Yeah, all people say like this. Look at all those people who are in pain. Just say, look at all those people who are in miserable condition. Brave, but they are brave and never cry. They never cry, never complained, and don't feel sorry for themselves. And the people who are in pain can never feel sorry for themselves. वो कभी अपने आप से sorry feel नहीं करते हैं. Mr. Lamb, I have not said it. I have not said so. मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा. Dairy, and think of all those people worse off than you. Mr. Lamb, just think of all those people who have the bad condition in comparison of you. जरा उन लोगों के बारे में सोचो जो हमसे भी अधिक bad condition में है. Think you might have been blinded. Think you were born blinded. आप जन्म से अंधे पैदा होते. You were blind by birth. Born deaf and dumb. अगर आप गूंगे बहरे होते, deaf and dumb means गूंगे बहरा, and have to be live in a wheelchair, and you have to be put on the wheelchair for moving. You know wheelchair, जिसमें पहिए लगे होते हैं और हम घूमते हैं. क्या हमारी कंडीशन अगर ऐसी होती तो then, or be deaf in your head and dribble, and suppose we were completely mad with mind, हम दिमाग से पूरे पागल होते, then Mr. Lamb, that is all true. Yeah, beta, you are saying very much true. You know it. You know everything. Daddy, it won't make my face change, but it does not bring any change on my face. Do you know? One day, a woman went by me in the street. One day I was standing on a street, a woman was passing by me. I was at the bus stop. She was with another woman. She looked at me. She was with her friend and she looked at me and said, whisper. She said very silently, whisperingly to her friend. Only I heard her. I heard her comment. She said, look at that, look at the boy. It's a terrible thing. What did you see? You just see the burn mark on the face of the boy. That is a face only a mother could love. It is just only a face on which a mother can love. Mr. Lamb, so you believe everything you hear? Now Mr. Lamb says that it means you believe everything. Okay, what is said about you? जो तुम्हारे बारे में बात कही जाती है तुम उस पर विश्वास कर लेते हो? It was cruel, sir. It is a cruel comment. It is very painful to bear all these words. Mr. Lamb may be not meant as such, but you just take it in another way. तुम इसको अलग तरीके से ले लेते हो. Just something said between them. It was just a very small conversation between these two ladies. Can you or not? It was only just a conversation. Daddy, only I heard it. I heard. But what to do? क्या करूं? I heard all that comment. Mr. Lamb, and is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life? It means in your life you will listen only those things. In your life you will listen only those things which is said about your life. क्या तुम उन बातों को सुनोगे जो तुम्हारे बारे में कही जाती हैं? No. Very oh no. I have heard a lot of things, sir. This is not the important things. I have heard so many crucial comment. Okay, about my face. मैंने तो अपने फेस के बारे में बड़े बुरे remarks सुने हैं. So you keep your ears shut. So now, if you listen the other people, so don't give your ears to others. It means don't hear other people. Just keep your ears shut. That means बंद. अपने कान बंद रखो. Okay. Daddy, you are peculiar. Really, sir, you are quite a strange person. You say peculiar things. You say very strange things. You ask question, but I don't understand. You ask question. You ask me question, but I can't understand your question. Mr. Lamb, I like to talk to the people. Have company. I want to enjoy the company of the people. You don't have to answer question, but you don't need to reply the question.